All right, what's going on, YouTube? I have a gigantic box here in front of me, as you can see, from Adams Polishes. They had their mystery bucket, trunk organizer, and mystery box on their website, so I got one of each. So I'm going to open it up and see what we got inside. As usual, we have our special surgical tool. As always, we have some paper. It's good stuff, good stuff. See what we got going on here. Anything good? Well, this says S-Int Kit, so I'm not really sure what that means, so we're gonna start with this one. Got some papers. Got a ton of paper. Okay, we have a few spray nozzles, which means we probably have some product in there. Oh yeah, we do. Okay, let's see what we got. Looks like interior detailer. Not bad. Carpet and upholstery cleaner. I have not used that yet, so we'll try that. Leather and interior cleaner. Not used this either. That's pretty sweet. Air freshener, always a win. Let's see, we have utility towel, 2-pack. And this looks, I believe this is an upholstery brush. So that's pretty sweet. I don't have this either, so that was actually, that was decent. I don't have any of that stuff yet, so. All right, inside the bucket, we have, I'm assuming these go in the bucket. We'll go with sure. Borderless gray plush towel. Don't think I have any of these yet either. Man, so far so good. I have a lot of Adams stuff. Oops. But I don't think I've had any of this stuff yet. Great white drying towel. I do have a drying towel, but it does not have the pattern. It doesn't have like the honeycombs or whatever they call these in it to collect the dirt and the water. So this is also a new product that I don't have. I do have one of these, single soft and double soft, so that's dope. Got a whole plethora of nozzles. I'm gonna have to start making some more room here. Let's see, we got Eco All-Purpose Cleaner. I love this stuff, it smells so good. It's like Ceramic Boost. Ceramic Boost. So I've got some more interior detailer and some buttery wax, which I still have a full canister of this, so that's all good. Oh, a buttery wax applicator pad, and I got this applicator pad that's got Adams Polishes sketched into it. I don't know if you can see it, probably not, but I believe I'll have to double check. If I can get it open, there we go. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. It says it's like it's etched into the handle there. But I don't know if this is for the tires or what. So I'll have to check on that one because I do not have one of these yet either. So look into that. And then obviously just a bucket. And then we have the trunk organizer that comes in black. And that's all that's in the box. Okay. Comes in black, which is awesome. I do have a red one, but they were selling this one, which I believe was a limited run. So see what we got. Obviously, more spray nozzles. We have a microfiber wash mitt, which is pretty dope. Premium wash pad. I don't have this yet. Okay, so it's like a glove, it looks like. That's pretty sweet. These two giant red things that are very soft. That's pretty dope. Blue Pluffle towels. I do not have these either. Man, y'all hooked me up with some decent towels because I didn't have any of these. I thought I had a good amount of towels. Apparently I did not. Those are awesome. See, we got wash and wax. Cool with that. Ultra Foam shampoo, looks like we got 2 of those. Bam. We got some wheel cleaner. I think this is the new stuff that's like super thick, because that's definitely a different color than the old wheel cleaner. Awesome. Leather conditioner, a full bottle. That's dope. I do have I think it's an 8-ounce bottle. I have an 8-ounce bottle. More ceramic boost. Tire shine. And they hooked me up with the 4th of July stuff, it looks like. Car shampoo, interior detailer, and detail spray from their, I think it was 4th of July, Independence Day, right? Which is dope, because I actually have these already, but I didn't want to open them. So now that I actually have a second set, I can potentially open these and use them. And then obviously my order of what I ordered. So, and then I have this sweet black trunk organizer that is super dope, because like I said, I do have the red one, but I do like this black one. It was I believe it was a limited edition thing, so you can put these little things in here and then it organizes like such, and then you take the little top thingy here and you create a house. Boom. There, trunk organizer. Y'all sneak anything in there? No hundreds? Okay. So yeah, so that's what I got. That's pretty decent. A lot of stuff in here that I have not used or had yet. So I'm definitely going to give that stuff a try for sure. So sweet deal. Adams Polishes, I believe they still have the sale going on today, which is July 26th. So by the time this video is up, it could be done and over with already. And I'll show you guys a little preview of what I got going. Let me disconnect the camera here. Okay. So as you can see, like I said, I do have some of the 4th of July stuff already, but it's dope that I got more. This is from Black Friday. I have all these from Black Friday still. And then I have, this one's already, these are all unopened bottles on the top. This one's, and then, well, that one's obviously open. I've used that before. Some other random stuff in here. I have a bunch of these Cars and Coffee. Some other random stuff. Some ceramic boosts in the back there. Some other bottles over here. And I have a bunch of stuff in my garage too, so just all around got a ton of stuff. But like the towels and stuff I have, like I have, you know, some of these. I think this is just the utility towel. Yeah, and like the double soft. I got a couple of them over here. A couple more just plush towels here, and some right here as well. But a lot of those I have not had or used before, so that's awesome that I got all of that. So anyway, I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the video, and stick around. Got some more stuff coming up. If y'all didn't see the last video with the Supra, the brand new Supra, I would definitely go check that out. There's going to be more footage of that stuff coming soon. And yeah, hope you guys are having a good Friday, and we'll catch you next time.